Good day everyone. So our topic for today is K design. So number one given is W 14 mm, T is 10 mm, diameter is 50 mm. So we have T is equals to 800 newton So ito siya convert sa millimeter. Yung sa millimeter yung sa 800 times 10 over power 3 newton millimeter. Kaya balance 55. So solution is A. T is equals to L times W plus T times 1 half. So 800,000 newton millimeter is equals to L times 14 times T times 500 over 2. So 800,000 times 350 is equals to plus L times T. So L is equals to 2,285.71 over R millimeter. So B is force system shear. So T is equals to shear C is equals to T over L times L times B over 2. We have 800,000 T and plus 2 plus 2T times 10 over 2. We have times L times 50 over 2. So we have 800,000 plus 2T times 10 over times 10 times 25 times L is equals to 20 PL. So we have L is equals to 800,000 over 20 T is equals to 200 or over 2,200 over T. So error number 2, we have a given of diameter 55 mm and the width is 10 mm and length is 30 mm and height is 46 MPa. So we have solution of T is equals to T times L times B over 2. We have hindi kita ito atong mula itong mag-given. So T is equals to 46 times 10 times 10 and times 25.2. We have 241,500 millimeter. So we have, ito siya nag-convert sa meter, we have 241.5 newton meter. That's all. Thank you.